Hi, this is Yuri Tsihus and welcome to the daily report from FIBO Group. Monday's trading day may have a lack of action as insignificant statistics hit the market and may see traders sitting on the sidelines. The morning will see the release of trade balance from Germany and the consumer price index in Switzerland. In the afternoon, we will see the number of permits for the construction in Canada and report on monetary policy in Japan. With regard to the trade balance in Germany, the strongest factor for investors has been moderate growth, starting from 2009. If the data comes in worse than forecast, it should not interrupt the overall uptrend. Continuing Monday with the release of CPI from Switzerland, all eyes will be on the Swiss franc, as headline inflation sits above estimates. If the number comes in below expectations, we may see a fall in the Swiss franc against other major currencies. Monday afternoon will focus on data from the real estate market in Canada, with the release of the index on construction permits. This is one of the leading indicators of the real estate market in Canada. But I don't expect this release to cause much volatility in the Canadian dollar. Thank you all and good luck.